Here's another term you might have heard and not know what it means. Kokesh. Well, Kokesh is a person, Eric Kokesh. He's the coach of the famous Nickel team and a very good player in his own right. He's Canadian. But usually when we talk about Kokesh, it's a convention. And specifically, it's used after a two-club opening bid. So it goes two clubs, two diamonds. Kokesh says, let's make two hearts a relay to two spades. So instead of promising hearts, it just forces responder to bid two spades. Now, what's the point of that? Well, the big point is that it allows the opener to show different ranges of big balanced hands. And so typically this two-heart Kokesh bid is either a hand with hearts, which will then follow up with, a natural bid, or it's a big balanced hand. And so two clubs, two diamonds, two no trump is like the 22 to 23 or 24. And then two clubs, two diamonds, two hearts Kokesh, two spades relay, now two no trump, is like the 25, 27 point hand. The big benefit there is that you can show the extra strength while not having to jump to three no trump. So you can still do it, keeping the auction at two no trump, and then use all of our Stayman transfer systems over two no trump. And then if you have the hand with hearts, right, you bid two hearts, partner bids two spades, and you just bid, right? If you're balanced, you bid no trump. If you have clubs, you bid clubs, right? Some people change these responses, but at its most basic, that's all it is. So it also serves to keep responder out of the way and makes it easier to bid two suited hands with hearts. I play Kokesh with a few people. It's also called birthright by some people because Eric Kokesh insists that he didn't invent it. I have forgotten this bid so many times because it does not come up very often that I prefer not to play it because when you forget it, it's just stupid. The auction just spirals out of control. So it's certainly one that you can add. It's fairly easy. It doesn't lose all that much, but you got to make sure you're going to remember it. And if you don't play it.